What if you could write code that's easier to test, more reliable, and less prone to bugs, all while boosting your productivity? That's the promise of functional programming, a paradigm that's transforming how developers think and build. For years, imperative and object-oriented programming dominated the landscape. But now, functional programming is shaking things up. At its core, functional programming is about simplicity and predictability. It focuses on pure functions, blocks of code that always return the same result given the same input and don't change the outside world. This may sound limiting, but it actually unlocks incredible power, especially as systems grow in complexity. In the world of functional programming, data is immutable, meaning it can't be altered after it's created. This eliminates side effects, a major source of hard-to-diagnose bugs. When state doesn't change, code becomes far easier to debug, test, and reason about. It's like going from a noisy, chaotic room to a quiet space where everything is in its right place. Functional languages like Haskell, Elixir, and Clojure have long been praised for these traits. But even mainstream languages like JavaScript, Python, and Java are now incorporating functional features. Concepts like map, reduce, filter, and first-class functions have made their way into everyday coding, and once you start using them, it's hard to go back. But the real magic of functional programming lies in its ability to scale. Whether you're writing microservices, building distributed systems, or handling asynchronous streams, functional techniques help you manage complexity with elegance. This is why tech giants like Twitter, Facebook, and Netflix use functional principles behind the scenes. Getting started doesn't mean switching languages overnight. It starts with a mindset shift, treating functions as building blocks, embracing immutability, and thinking in transformations rather than instructions. Begin with refactoring a small piece of code using a functional approach. Then watch how your code base transforms, cleaner, safer, and more maintainable. Is functional programming part of your workflow yet, or are you just starting to explore its possibilities? Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.